Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
And Tropical Storm Tomas not expected to be a player in the weather along the east coast of the United States, though we do have our own separate storm along the coastline this evening, bringing in periods of rain in some areas, over an inch of rain. We take a look at some of the totals since the raindrops started this morning, with 3/4 of an inch in Providence as well as Newport, ½ inch in Westerly, nearly an inch in Block Island, inch and a half or closing in on it in New Bedford, and 3/4 of an inch in Taunton. More rain will fall tonight, perhaps an additional ½ inch to an inch of rain. Doppler radar still tracking some of the moisture, light to moderate rain. Later tonight, some downpours as all this moisture comes in off the ocean from south to north, so we'll keep the wet weather going all night long as these waves of low pressure, these storm systems along the coastline ride off our coast. Damp start on Friday, even though the bulk of at least the heavy rain will be pulling away on Friday, still left over with some at least light showers early in the morning before the air turns cooler over the weekend. Low clouds and fog in Providence, and obviously very damp and humid with areas of rain. Temperature's been holding at 53 for the last roughly 5 hours. Light north breeze at 6, humidity at 93%. Bob Plord in Fall River with a nonstop rain in 59. He's picked up an inch of rain so far. And notice the big range in temperature. Along the coastline and offshore, readings are in the 60s. And to the north, it's in the upper 40s. We have a warm front draped across the area, much like a picket fence. One side of it, it's very warm with readings in the 60s. On the other side of this red line, it's cool with readings in the upper 40s to low 50s. And usually when you get these temperature contrasts, you create weather and precipitation. That's exactly what we're getting right now. Even the rumble of thunder is possible during the overnight hours as these bands of moisture off the ocean ride into southern New England. A series of weak storm systems along the east coast from the Carolinas to New England, and sort of that pipeline of moisture offshore, which will spill over into the overnight hours. Heavy at times, temperatures in the 50s. Now for tomorrow morning, again, the bulk of the rain is pulling out, at least the real heavy stuff, but very early, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, some leftover light showers, 49 to 55. Now the trend during the afternoon will be for drying, and while I wouldn't rule out a shower, it should be much drier than the morning. In fact, by mid to late afternoon, there could even be some partial sun just before it sets at around 5:30, 5:45. So here it is in more detail for Friday afternoon, mostly cloudy and drier. Again, sometime after, say, 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we may see a few rays of sunshine sneak through the cloud cover. Temperatures in most areas, mid and upper 50s on a southwest breeze at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And again, the second half of the day looks drier. The weekend cools off quite a bit. 49 on Saturday. May see a shower Saturday evening, nothing significant. Very cool on Sunday with morning sunshine. Clouds will billow those Sunday afternoon in a high temperature of only 47. Nice weather next week, a stretch of dry conditions Monday through Thursday as temperatures moderate to near 60 by Wednesday and Thursday. Most of the weekend looks dry. Again, maybe a shower Saturday evening and a lot cooler with daytime highs only in the upper 40s and a leftover shower early tomorrow morning.
A little chilly.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Tony.
Coming up next on Eyewitness News at 11.
The Festival Ballet takes the stage. I'll tell you about that and more in this week's Best Bets.
You're watching Eyewitness.